Okay, true story. Wife says to me yesterday, "You're such a wonderful husband. I love you so much. You're the best, and I'm the luckiest woman in the world. And I love that you go around cutting lawns for free for people." She goes, "I think it's about time you treated yourself to a new lawnmower, one that you don't have to push, maybe one that's self-propelled and a little bit bigger." I said, "That'd be awesome. Very nice. I love you so much." She goes, "But," oh, here we go, always a but. So go on then, what's the but? She goes, "You have to get 1,000 subscribers for your new channel." I says, "You do realise I've just started the channel and I've only got 12 subscribers at the moment." She went, "Yeah, but you know, you do good stuff for people for free, so maybe people will reward you by pushing that subscribe button. So I can only give it a go. Thank you. Push that subscribe button."